Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new text animation feature in Instagram stories. So you'll want to open up in your Instagram account and go in to create a story. So I've already done that, and now I just want to show you how to add the animated text. So adding text, upper right hand corner, you click on the double A's, and this is where you will type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to type in some text here. Now, once you have your text typed, and you can change the various styles. Right now mine's set on the typewriter. I'm just going to make it a little larger. And then you can change the font color up in the color wheel. I'm going to make this black. And then the A right to the right of the color wheel, which has the little, they look like little crosses on them. I'm going to change that and give it a background. So I'm going to hit done. And I'm just going to move that up here. Okay, so we're going to tap back into it. And as long as your app is currently up to date, you should see on next to the A with the little crosses, an A with two lines right in front of it to the left of it, little horizontal lines. That's your animation. So if you tap that, it's now going to animate your text. So let's change our fonts and play around with options. So let's go back to, here's the first one. And then this one is a little hard to see, but it's like a flashy. You can see there, it's kind of bright in color. There's the typewriter again. Let's make that a little smaller. We're just going to keep moving through them. And then that's the, I don't know what you call these different fonts, but I'm just going to run through them all so you can see what they look like. They all do different things, but they're all animated now. And there's that one. That one just kind of moves, like slides in. And then the last one is also the typewriter. So that's it. That is all you have to do to change the animation. I think I'm going to move back to the typewriter, move that up, and then just hit done. And you can then move it to wherever you want. And everything else pretty much is the same. It's just that you choose to animate the text. And then if you decide you don't want the text to be animated, you just tap off of that little A. It's no longer selected and there's no longer animation. That's it. That's all you have to do to add animated text to your Instagram stories.